Hi, I'm Adrian, and today we are not in the studio. Today we are in the workshop, and we are going to work on making a leather holster for a local guy. It is for a Bond Arms 410/45 LC derringer. It's a great little single action pistol. First thing we need to do now is check and see if it's loaded. And it's a breech brake. It is not loaded. Let everybody see that. But these are really nice, sturdy little handguns. And yeah, gonna make a nice little holster for it. And so, like I said, don't always just do art. We know we do some other stuff. I like to make knives and sheaths for knives, and we're going to work on this today. Hope you like the video. This is one I made. I got to make a sheath for this soon too. Maybe we'll make a video about that. But this is just out of a file. Like a cool little knife out of a file. I've been using it here in the workshop for different things, opening up boxes and stuff. Super sharp, super sharp. But it's just an old file, ground down, and I put some of that rubber flex seal. Just dipped it in there, and cool little handle. But I'm gonna make a sheath for that soon too. Maybe make a video about that. But hope you can stick around and watch the video, and I hope it's not too long.